Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions tutorial. And this is Photopea tutorial for beginners. It's a best free photo editor software. So I'm going to show you a tutorial on how you can edit on Photopea. So if you want to learn more, just keep on watching. So Photopea is an online web-based graphic editor. So Photopea can be used for image editing, making illustrations, web design, or converting different image format. So the interface of Photopea is very similar to Photoshop. So if you're looking for an alternative for Photoshop, well, Photopea is for you. So first things first is go to photopea.com, and then from here, this is their homepage. You will have four options here. You can create new project, open from computer, select a template, or install a Photopea on your PC or laptop. So in our case, I'll choose on new project. And then from here, we will have an option to rename our project. And then down below, we will have an option for the width and our preferred height and the DPI. And down here, we have an option to choose our background. In our case, I'll choose transparent. On the other side, they have a template that are provided by Photopea. So they have multiple options here if you want to start using a template. And on the other side, you will have the dimensions over here, and they are based on categories. They have social, a print, photo, screen, mobile, ads, and many more. So in our case, I'll choose social, and then we're gonna go for Instagram. So let's go ahead and click on Instagram. And now it will redirect you to this page. So from here, we will have here the file, the edit, the image, the layer, and select the filter, the view window, and more. So on the other side over here on the left side, these are the tools that you are going to use to improve your image. So all of these tools are very helpful for editing your image. But for now, we're going to go on, try to open a file. Just click here on the file and click on open. And I'm going to select a certain file. And now it's here. We can add another file again. Click on file and then open. So I'm going to select this one. And from here, I can just click on Control C and then go on here on the one PSD and then Control V. So now I have two options here. I'm going to change the layer to the front. Then from here, I can just resize the image and move it around. So we are going to remove the white background over here. So for this image, we're going to go on right click this picture and convert to smart object, and then right click again, and we are going to rasterize. So now we're going to use on this magic wand. Click on the magic wand and click on the picture, and we're just gonna hit on delete. So as you can see, there's still an image here. I'm just gonna click on it and delete, click and delete the excess part of the picture. And once we're done, we can just click here the select and deselect the product. So from now, I'm gonna choose here this icon so I can move the product. And from here, I can resize it. And once you're satisfied, you can just hit on this check button here. So let's try to zoom in our product so we can see more better. And then let's add a circle around it. So let's try to put it on the middle. And then from here, we're going to click on right click over here and click on blending options. So from here, we are going to adjust the capacity to make it more transparency. I'm gonna go for 35% and click on OK. And then from here, we are going to click on convert to smart object and rasterize. And then we're gonna go on to filter and gonna go on to blur. And we're gonna click this Gaussian blur. Then from here, we can adjust the settings. So I'm gonna go for 3 pixels. And then I'll adjust the picture, the layer. There you go. We have now an shadow effect on our product. So now let's add some text over here. Just click on this and then we can just click and drag. And then from here, you can just double click this and type in your preferred text. So I'm going to go for baby care lotion. And then from here, I can put it on the center and change the sharpness or crisp. So I'm going to go for smooth. And then let's go for the font over here. So to change the font, you have to double click the text and then click on here. And then we can have multiple options here provided by Photopea. So I'm going to choose this one. And then we can adjust the size over here. And once you're done, you can just hit confirm and we can adjust it. Just click on the move tool. And then we can add another rectangle. Just go over here and click on it. And then click and drag. So from here, we can add another text and we can write down shop now. So let's adjust the size of this text. And then let's move it on the middle. Then let's resize the shape. So if you want to resize something, just click on transform controls and resize the shape. And there you go. Now to save the file, you just have to go over here, file, and you can save more and you can save it as PSD to storage, save PSD, or you can just export it as PNG, JPEG, and the others. So I'm gonna go for JPEG, and then from here, you will have the file name, and then the format, the height, the width, the pixel, and the quality. So we're gonna up it up for 100%. And once you're done, you're just gonna hit save. And there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.